Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today it's actually Friday after work. I actually get out at like 4:30 today. I'm gonna head to the Koriko cafe, which is the Studio Ghibli Kiki's delivery service themed cafe here in Seoul, and then I'm gonna go to the Jimin lucky draw, and I have a lot of fun things planned this weekend, so I figured I would start the vlog. Okay, so for today we actually have a spring concert. So my age group, we said we were gonna wear like white tops and black bottoms, and I'm wearing this black turtleneck. I have my Hope necklace from Ana Luisa, wearing this white denim jacket from H&M. Oh yeah, turtleneck from Uniqlo. My pants are like these wide leg dress pants from H&M. These are my inside shoes, my Crocs. I'm going to wear my white sneakers, and yeah, I'll see you guys after work. Okay, so right now I'm walking to Koriko Cafe. I just finished the Jimin lucky draw, so I'll show you guys the polls. Like, I already filmed them, but I haven't opened the album yet, but I want to go to this cafe first.
Long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky.
So I came to this banh mi spot in ikseon-dong, which is like really close to Hongdae. Eaten here a couple times before, but the Koriko cafe was super cute. A little bit expensive, so I didn't get any like merch, but would definitely recommend like going at least one time. I haven't opened my Jimin albums. I'll probably do that when I get home for you guys, so I can do like a better quality unboxing. For my banh mi sandwich, the buzzer started going. So I got the barbecue banh mi, and I didn't get any drinks. Usually I would get a Vietnamese coffee, but I had coffee at the cafe, so I'm just gonna have it with water. Looks so good. I can't wait to eat.
Right choice, hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see.
Hey guys, so I just got back home from being out. I don't remember the last thing that I filmed, but I think I was at the Acorn caricature place. I had been wanting to go for a really long time, to be honest, and I was in the area and I was just kind of having like a solo day, which was super fun. So I decided to just stop in, and it was really cute. It wasn't busy at all. I think there was a location that was maybe not even a minute away that had a long line, but this location didn't, which is so strange. This is what my caricature looks like. It's cute. She asked me where I was from. She asked me if I was Chinese, and I was like, no, I'm Filipino, but I'm from Canada. We were kind of just like talking. My Korean was fighting for its life. It was really fun, and it's super cute. I posted this on my Instagram story, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it already. I think I want to put it up on my like collage wall. It's only 8:15, so I'm like wide awake. I wanted to unbox my Jimin face album. I showed a clip of my lucky draw. I ended up pulling, I think, all of the lucky draw PCs that you could possibly get. These are the back of them. They just say face on them, and then here are the 3 different PCs. So here's this one. This one is super cute. This one, I love this one. I specifically went to the Soundwave location in Hapjeong because the previews looked the cutest, and I really like the like white aesthetic of these PCs, so that's why I got those. Okay, and then I got the set. So here they are. Here are the 2 different versions. I didn't pre-order the album off of Levers this time around because I wanted to wait for the lucky draws. I'm trying to be a little bit more responsible with buying albums and stuff, especially since they like literally just announced 17 is having a comeback in April. So I need to save my money for that too. The 2 versions, this one is invisible face, and then this one is undefinable face. This is what it looks like. What do you get? What are all these? Ooh, whoa, there's so many PCs in here. What the heck? 4 PCs that you get. So here's the first one. And then here's, I guess this one is the like random PC maybe. I don't really know. I have to check out on Weverse. Oh my god. So cute. Ooh, you get a postcard too. And then another postcard. Wow, this is the, I think this is the concept that I liked the most. I just like the whole like white aesthetic. So now I'm gonna open up Undefinable Face. Okay, so let's see. So each version, it seems like comes with 4 PCs. Okay, so this one he's doing finger guns, and also don't mind my nail. And then the other one he was doing a peace sign, so slightly different. And then these ones are all in the like black aesthetic. And then these ones were the white aesthetic PCs. Oh my goodness, so many Jimin PCs. The postcards, I don't know, both of these concepts are really nice. You know what, Jimin just always looks good. Okay, so here's one postcard, and then here's the other one. These are so pretty. Ah! Oh, he is so handsome. So beautiful, look at this. That's my album unboxing. Today was really fun. I'm going to vlog the rest of this weekend, so I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm just gonna watch a movie or something. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday now. I think the last time I talked to you guys, I was like getting ready for bed, but one of my friends was coming to my area, and so she was like, girl, what are you doing? Are you home? Let's go out for some food. It was 10:30 and I was like, okay. So we got makgeolli, which was the first time I tried. It was like this honeycomb makgeolli, which was the only thing I filmed. And then we had some Korean pancakes at insta. I'm just about to head out. I'm going to go bike riding on the Han with Maddie, and then I'm gonna go see some cherry blossoms. I have a hair appointment. I'm getting my bangs permed, so I'm gonna get like a down perm, so like when it's like windy, your bangs don't like move. And then I'm just gonna get it like cut a little bit because my bangs are getting long. I just want it to be like a little bit shorter. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because it's really cute. But I'm also gonna go to the bar later with some friends, so I'm wearing daytime nighttime outfit. Okay, I'm gonna wear a denim jacket over top of this so that, I don't know, I feel like I'm showing a lot of skin, but I'm wearing some black shorts, some like riding boots, and this is like a bralette, and I'm wearing this crop sweater, and on the back is this like tie thing. I don't know, it's really cute, and I'm just gonna wear a cropped black denim jacket. I'll see you guys later. Hello. Maddie made me bike 40 minutes in the wrong direction. Ow, that doesn't sound like me.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart.
Hello, do you remember Kayla? Do you even remember me? We're at Norabong now. I got my hair cut. I was taking clips in the chair every time she walked away. Because I was like, I'm being a shy girl right now. But that's my hair. It's short now, and she did the big perm. I like it. And these people are coming out of the box.
The sound good.
Oh my god, amazing. We're gonna sing Chandelier, Adam Lambert version, because we heard it on the street. So
I hope that's one.
I hope so.
It still reminds me of you.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm literally a terrible vlogger. I don't even know what clips I got yesterday. It is Sunday afternoon and I'm just getting ready to meet up with one of my friends. We're both running late because we went out last night. We are just getting ready now. I just have to do my makeup. Today we're gonna go to a brunch spot called Thanks Oats, and then there was this cafe that I had bookmarked for a long time and it's really pretty. I'm really excited, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly get ready and then I'll show you guys my outfit. Wow! So this is gonna be my outfit for today. I'm wearing this like 2-piece floral set that I got in some random store in Hongdae, and then I just put on this white denim jacket because if I'm gonna be out later and I think it's gonna like cool down a little bit. And then I'm gonna wear these white boots. I think it's super cute. My friend's already on the way, but I live closer to where we're meeting up for brunch, so I am just gonna leave in like 10 minutes. Spring vibe moment. I've been wearing a lot more like white colors since I got my personal color palette done. I've noticed like a big difference.
Together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah. Since our break, I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other.
Okay, this one is raspberry.
This one is blueberry.
Yeah, vanilla, raspberry, vanilla, blueberry.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's not bad.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, we're in ikseon-dong.
Yeah.
And we're just walking around because our cafe, there was a 24 waiting lineup. So we've just been walking around. We had ice cream.
I think it's been like almost an hour already.
Almost an hour.
I don't know what number.
I don't know. Probably not anytime soon. I feel like people just like sit and chill in there.
And take pictures.
Oh, this is cute.
Wait, this is cute.
Ooh, we could also take pictures here. Like right there.
Outfit.
Like right here.
We got to.
We're just vibing, trying to take pictures and killing time. We're gonna eat here because everything smells so good.
All this pressure in my vessel, so I pop. Got me thinking about being what I'm not. Got me questioning my dreams. Do I even got a shot? God done left me on scene when I asked him for the plot. Indecision steady creeping in the daily thoughts. All my voices steady ringing, screaming you a fraud. Just for peace of mind, I pay a deadly cost. Who really praying? All they saying is you gotta be strong. Where is the part of me who still believes? These days it's hard to see. No, I can't see.
We ordered the strawberry castella. It's like very like light and fluffy.
I like it.
Wow. I'm happy with that. I'm back home now and it was really fun spending the day with Jennifer. We explored ikseon-dong in ikseon-dong. I could probably be saying that wrong, but it was really fun exploring an area that I had never been before. That area has so many pretty cafes and really cool things to see, different restaurants and some cute little shops. So I definitely will be checking out that area again and seeing and trying some different food places there. It's so close to where I'm living now, so that's amazing. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Before